Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna keep talking about Java features. This feature is called pattern matching. Okay, now we're gonna go to the project and see how this will work in practice. So I'm gonna go to file and create a new model. I'm gonna click next and I'm gonna call it pattern match. Okay, here we have our Java folder. I'm gonna create new class. I'm gonna call it boss. Here I have the main method. Here I'm gonna add okay, now let's create a method which will return a string. I'm gonna call it getRank and I'm gonna pass it to it an int e. Here in this method I'm gonna use the old switch. So I'm gonna say string rank equal, and I'm gonna switch on the e which we passed as parameter, and in case I'm gonna keep it simple, in case we have 100 I'm gonna put the rank as bad. Okay, I'm gonna repeat them. If 200 it's gonna be good and 300 is gonna be great. Just keep things simple. Right now we're gonna omit the default parameter and we can add it here. Actually, default nothing. Alright, now you can add the breakthrough here if you don't need it here. So I'm going to return the rank. Okay, now we have our method. We can test it here. We can say println on I'm gonna pass the get, sorry, should be boss. Should put here the static, because we are calling it from static main method, so the method should be static. So I'm gonna pass the get rank, I'm gonna pass it 100, and I'm gonna run the program here. I'm gonna run the zoo, which is not what we want to run, so I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna run this. Okay, now it seems like we don't have anything. That's because we didn't add the break word here. So here everything should be okay now. Let's run it again. as we can see here, we have our bed rank, and we notice that it's a little bit boilerplate and hard to understand, and we omitted the break and added it. That's a lot of added work that we don't need. So the switch or the pattern matching for the switch will help us enormously. First, we don't need all the break that we added lately, so I'm gonna take them out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the return word here, and in case we have 100, I'm gonna remove the 2 points and just remove the rank to equal to, and we have our switch pattern matching works. That's it. We don't need all this code. Now everything should be work just fine. The last thing, I should remove this return and add everything now should be working just fine. Let's try it again. Now as we can see here, it works as it did in the first time, and that's the power of pattern matching, the new feature in Java, which will help us, as I said before, enormously in the future. And that's it for this video. See you next time.